What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. We've got mail today. As y'all can see, I got a box right here. We've got mail I'm going to be opening up. Depending on how long you've been rocking with the channel, you have heard me mention this brand before. Happy Memories Don't Die. They've been rocking with the channel and showing love to the channel for a while now, and I really appreciate it. It's always appreciated. So they sent out this package. Now I don't know exactly what's inside, but they did say that they think I would like it. That's one, and they also said that it would be restocking very soon. So whatever's inside of here, if y'all are digging it, you'll be able to pick one up for yourself as well. Let's go ahead and open it up because I'm excited to see what they have sent over. Okay, got two hats inside. All right, bam, bam. These are fire. All right, so they was definitely right. Just first glance, I'm definitely digging these. Let me put this box over to the side. So the first one, we got this Yankee Snapback. You see the New York on the front, the upside down New York. The hat that I'm wearing is actually from them as well. Happy Memories Don't Die. So we got the upside down New York, and it says it was all a dream. Yo, these are sick. Look at that. That's Biggie, New York City legend. And I was born and raised in New York, so this is fitting. I love my city. I think I find some way to work that into every single video, but it is what it is. I love my city. So New York Biggie hat. This is fire, and the embroidery is clean. The embroidery is really clean on these. There's no loose threads or anything like that. The NY is centered perfectly. The embroidery is really clean there. Pink bottom. This is clean. This is real tough. Wow. I really like that. And then we got the navy blue. So it's the same hat. It was all a dream right there. Embroidered. New York upside down. And then of course they truly have their own brand embroidered on the side. So it says HMDD, Happy Memories Don't Die, in the gold right there. I really like these hats. They did their thing. Biggie with the crown, and the crown has like these gold tips. They really thought this through. It's very well executed. Pink bottom on this one as well. Gotta have the pinkies. The pinkies are going crazy right now. People love the pink bottoms. So on the navy blue hat, we have a black sweatband. And on the inside, it actually says, and if you don't know, now you know. That is crazy. They really thought this through. On the inside, right inside, all over there. I'm gonna make sure I get it in the B-roll. It says, and if you don't know, now you know, which is a very, very popular Biggie saying. On the red hat, there's a red sweatband, and on the inside, it says, and if you don't know, now you know, just like the red hat. I'm really digging these, like down to the details. They just did a really good job. I'm actually gonna go ahead and try these on. This is what the red hat looks like on, and of course y'all will get a better look at it in the B-roll. But while I started to curve the brim, because I did curve it just a little bit, and I might curve it more, I'm not sure. I'm gonna wear it around a little bit and see whether or not I want to curve it a little bit more, maybe flatten it out. Not sure right now, but I was noticing all the improvements from the hat that they first sent me, this hat back in July, to the hats that they just sent out, these Biggie hats right here. And I noticed a couple differences. So on this first hat, the logo, the embroidered logo on the side, you see how the sides are filled in on the sides of the HMDD, the two arrows or 2 points, they're filled in. And on this hat, they're not filled in anymore. You just have like an outline around the HMDD. I actually think this one looks a lot cleaner, and I'm glad to see them kind of just growing and improving their product, switching it up. Also, I noticed that they went ahead and put their logo for the tag on the inside, so it says HMDD inside of there. Before, it was just the classics Yupong logo, and there's nothing wrong with Yupong. Yupong is pretty much the standard for streetwear hats. That's where most streetwear brands get their hats manufactured and things like that. That's where they buy their blanks from, I guess you could say. But it is nice to see you know, their branding on the inside of the hat. So like I said earlier in the video, I knew that they were sending me hats. I just didn't know what kind of hat, so it was a surprise. And I have to say it was a pleasant surprise because I'm liking the way that these look. Make sure y'all check them out at HMDD on Instagram. I'll make sure I put it down below in the description, and I'll also put their website since these will be restocking soon. The first time I know they sold out. They did tell me that the hat sold out the first time around. So if you want them, make sure y'all be quick. And remember, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the